Hey guys, good morning. I woke up super early today around 5 o'clock to be honest. I tried my best to go back to sleep but I couldn't, so I published my video very early today. So I hope you guys appreciate that cause I woke up early, so you get to watch my vlogs early as well. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for today. I'm gonna start my day early. It's gonna be a good day guys. I might take a nap today by the way. Look at the view guys, it's so dark outside. It looks blue right now but it is pitch black at the moment guys. Okay guys, I just got ready and this is my makeup for today. It's pretty simple, same as always. I would like to update about yesterday. My meetup with Anta Didi was so much fun guys. We had lots of chit chat and lots of catching up. We laughed a lot and talked about so many things, just life updates and stuff like that guys. I really enjoyed her company. And yeah, we stayed in her house for around 2-3 hours and then later we went to fetch her daughter from school. After a few minutes we came back to my house and we did lots of chit chat again, you know, girl stuff, and it was so much fun. But while I was in her house I saw a very beautiful low bed which she got from Brunei and it was so nice guys. I'm looking for a low bed which is like affordable as well, and she said she paid around 300 for that bed. I will insert the picture for you guys and it's so pretty guys. I just fell in love with that. I'm looking for a low bed but I don't think you can find that kind of low bed in here. I know you can get it from Brunei. One of my cousin who just came from Brunei, she's coming here on the weekend, and seriously guys I feel so unfortunate cause यदि मैले यो low bed पहिला नै देखेको भए चाहिँ मैले मेरो cousin सँग बुर्नेबाट मगाउँथे. But sad guys, I want low beds because I have little bit of back problem as well guys. So if you have low beds it's good for your back, so that's why I wanted the low bed. Please let me know in the comments down below if you know somebody who sells this sort of low beds for very reasonable price. This picture is so hilarious guys. I just saw it on my Facebook. It says how I feel without and with my lashes. Look at this guys. This is ditto me, but in my case I don't wear lashes. It's the eyeliner guys. I will look like a weird person if I don't wear eyeliner. Seriously guys, this is so me. Okay guys, now I'm in a process of decluttering my makeup. I have so much makeup guys which is expired at the moment, and some of them are like gunky and they don't even, you know, work very well. I'm out of breath guys cause I forgot my SD card downstairs, so I had to run and get it back. But yeah, I'm gonna declutter my makeup and I will vlog for you guys. Whoa, I'm tired. Your girl is tired guys. I need to do more cardio. So this is my travel makeup bag guys. I got this one from Primark, and seriously guys, this thing is so heavy. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I don't know what's inside here to be honest. Most of my makeup is here and everything is falling apart as you guys can see. This is broken I believe. Oh, it's not. Is it? Oh my god, it's not broken. Whoa, it's a treasure. I'm gonna keep this one guys. So let's go ahead and clean this mess up. Basically I'm gonna keep stuffs that I like and good to use over here and stuffs which are expired in this bag. So here we go guys. Look at this guys. मैले के भेटाए? Eyebrow blades. Seriously, I didn't know it was here guys. these are all expired products, guys, so I'm definitely throwing these. So some of the stuff I still need to, you know, decide if I want to keep it or not. So let's do that now, because these are like maybes, you know. I can keep these or I might just let it go. There are more stuff over here. So okay guys, I've finished decluttering my stuff, and seriously guys, all this is expired products and products those are not really worth keeping. And these are all my lost jewelries, perfume, nail polish, scissors. I don't know where I got this from, you know, little things. Thumbs up guys, I did something nice today. Well done me. I want to tell you something which happened right now, just few minutes ago. I was like about to watch this movie Padmavat, somebody shared on my Facebook page, and I was like, yes, finally I can watch Padmavat. And seriously guys, this is not Padmavat. It's a similar kind of movie, but the actor and the actress, I don't think that's Deepika Padukone or Shahid. That's a very bad joke guys. So guys, right now I'm cooking some curry for me, and today I'm cooking edamame beans with broccoli and what do you call this? Gobi. It's a very simple recipe guys. If you guys want me to do a cooking tutorial for this one, then please let me know. I will upload a recipe for you guys very soon. Yay guys, my lunch is ready and it looks so delicious. I'm just eating vegetables today with rice, and look at this guys, it's piping hot and I just can't wait to eat this. By the way, look at the weather guys, it's so lovely today. I love summer. I hope it's summertime now. It's February and it was snowing yesterday. So this is UK guys, and please excuse my dirty windows guys. So guys, अहिले चाहिँ म मुभी हेर्दै बसिरहेको छु, नेपाली मुभीहरु. हिजो चाहिँ मैले होस्टेल रिटर्न्स हेरेको थिए अनि आज चाहिँ म होस्टेल हेर्दै छु. I know it's उल्टो, तर मुभी कति पनि म्याच गर्दैन, हल्का हल्का मात्रै म्याच गर्छ, तर क्यारेक्टर्सहरु डिफरेंट छ. अहिलेसम्म त राम्रै लागिरहेको छ के हैन, तर मैले यो मुभीहरु चाहिँ पहिल्यै हेरेको है गाइज. मेरो मेमोरी चाहिँ माछाको मेमोरी जस्तै छ. मैले चाहिँ मुभीहरु हेर्छु हैन, अनि 4-5 महिनापछि फेरि हेरे भने पनि मलाई त्यो स्टोरी इन्ट्रेस्टिङ नै लाग्छ हैन. आई एम इन्जॉयिङ द मुभी अगेन गाइज. इट्स अ नाइस मुभी, यंगस्टर्सहरुको बारेमा हो. सो आई एम लभिङ इट सो फार गाइज. सो गाइज, मैले मुभी हेरेर भ्याए अहिले चाहिँ, एन्ड इट वाज रियली नाइस. र फिल्म चाहिँ राम्रो थियो. आई लभड इट. अनि अरु चाहिँ के भन्ने, अनमोल केसी थियो होस्टेलमा चाहिँ, होस्टेल रिटर्न्समा चाहिँ अर्कै केटा थियो. ही वाज नाइस, टल, बट not as good looking as Anmol Kesi, obviously. Anmol Kesi ko aba naya movie aउँदैछ क्री भन्ने. So I'm really excited to watch that movie. And yes guys, right now I'm just chilling around, got nothing to do guys. Might clean my house a little bit later on. And yeah guys, I would like to show you something very amazing. It's so cool. I think you will love it. Okay, look at this guys. Isn't it cute guys? I'm gonna do one more time for you guys. Oh, you got it. I'm gonna give you one more. Sorry guys, I've got itchy throat, but this stuff is so cool guys. I almost forgot that I had this one for such a long time, and I got this one from Hong Kong night market, and I paid very reasonable price for this one guys. यो चाहिँ एकदमै मज्जाको लाग्छ मलाई, एकदम satisfying लाग्छ. Every time this cat comes and get the coin, it's so sweet and I love it guys. Definitely get this one if you go to Hong Kong for holiday or you visit. It's just fun guys. So guys, मैले अहिले हल्का घर सफा गरेर भ्याए र म भर्खर तल आएको थिए, and look what I got. Donation bag like clothes donation गर्ने bag पाएको छु मैले अहिले चाहिँ. Definitely gonna donate clothes cause I have plenty, guys. I don't know if you guys noticed, but this is the same place where I ended my yesterday's vlog, but it's just coincident, guys. Yes, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I love you all. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell button, guys, for notifications. And I love you all. Bye.